Good afternoon, folks. This is Luis from Shockley Honda. Just want to make a quick video on our 2019 Honda CR-V EXL. The vehicle has no accidents, no damage reported, one owner on the CARFAX, and service records are available. This is also a Honda pre-certified vehicle, so it comes with an extension on the manufacturer's warranty. With this being the EXL, it has a power tailgate, plenty of cargo area there, a privacy blind, and it has an all-leather interior. Passengers have access to 2 USBs, and the vehicle comes standard with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, lane keeping assist, Bluetooth, backup camera, blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control. The vehicle only has 26,241 miles on it. It is in great condition. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach us at 301-694-5400, extension number 1133. Take care now. Have a good rest of your day.